I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. This specific one is the Watch 6 Classic, and I'll be showing you how to charge this watch. Now, there are plenty of methods you can use to charge, but all those methods require your charger that came in the box of your Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, so this is the charger that comes in your box. It has Type-C on one side, as you can see, so that's a Type-C connector, and this other side, it has this wireless charging pad. It has a bit of an depression on one side, and the other side is flat with some writing. So this is the wireless charging pad, and this is where you place your watch. Okay, so you're going to place the bottom part of the watch, this one right here, onto that depression on the charging plate, and it's going to attach to your watch magnetically. Okay, so as soon as you bring it close, it's going to attach. Okay, now once you do that, you need to plug this other end with the Type-C connector into a power source. Now, there are plenty of power sources you can use. You can either use a charging brick like this. This is an Anchor charging brick, which I'll link down below, and I use it to charge most of my stuff. So you can always go ahead and plug this in here, the Type-C end here. Of course, if it's a Type-C power brick, okay, plug that in, and then you can plug it into a socket or a wall. And if there's power, it should start charging. Okay, so when it's charging, you'll see that animation, and then the screen will go like that and show you the battery percentage. That's how you know your watch is charging. Okay, so it actually also tells you how long left until the watch is full. And if you go to the watch face, you'll know it's charging because there's going to be a little charging icon at the top. Okay, you can see right there next to, on top of number 12, you can see that little lightning icon. That indicates the watch is charging. Now, you can also plug the Type-C end of this cable into another device like a laptop. So let me just try and plug it into my Mac, see what happens. It's charging. Okay, now it might not charge as fast, but it's charging. Okay, so you can plug that into a computer if you have a Type-C port, or if you have a Type-C to Type-A adapter, you can plug it into any computer. Now, you can also plug this into a phone. Okay, now I have a couple of phones here. First, I have this Samsung phone, which has a Type-C port and a battery, which of course it works with a battery. So let's try and plug it into the phone. So can your phone charge your Galaxy Watch? Just give it a couple of seconds, and the answer is yes. So as you can see, the watch is charging, although as you can see, given the amount of time it has left, it's going to take longer. Okay, so it says it's going to charge for the next 1 hour 16 minutes. So that's a bit slow, but it's charging. So you can also tell from here that it's charging. Okay, you can see that lightning icon. So any phone or tablet should be able to charge your Galaxy Watch. Now, if you don't have the cable, you can use a Qi enabled wireless charger to charge your watch. You can even use a phone that has wireless power sharing, for instance this one, and you can try and use it to charge your watch wirelessly. So this is a Z Flip 5. So let's try and enable wireless power sharing. So we can go into battery and device care, go into battery, and tap on wireless power sharing, and let's turn that on and try to charge our watch. So with wireless power sharing enabled, I know the charging coil is here, so let me try and place the watch there, and it charges. Okay, there you go. So it's currently charging. Well, it's stopped, so let's try and reposition our watch. Yeah, there you go. So you can see that little lightning icon there, and that means you can use wireless power sharing to charge your Galaxy Watch. So those are the different ways you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Your Galaxy Watch 6 or Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.